Welcome to Best School Tips. In this video, I will show you how to show live match score, live music notification, and any other live notification on your lock screen or a status bar when you unlock your device. So here you can see the live music option on the lock screen. That's called the now bar in the latest version. Just tap on it to show the details in the lock screen on your device. So if you want to add live notification, you can find the list of different options in the navbar settings in your latest One UI 8 version. So let's see how to enable it. Open the app drawer on your Samsung device. Tap the settings app. Now scroll down. Tap on lock screen NAOD. Here you can find the navbar option. Here you can see the check the information you need right now and start essential feature without unlocking your phone. Means you can see the this is the live notification. Now tap on the view more to show the all application. You want to show the live notification on your lock screen or in the status bar like this on your device. So here you can see the Google Finance, Sports from Google, Media Player, Google Maps, Samsung Health, interpreter, clock, voice recorder, Samsung Notes, emergency sharing, smart things, and Samsung Wallet. This is the all live notification available on your Samsung One UI 8 version or any other Samsung device. So you can see all these details on your lock screen. So we already play the music, so you can see the music on your status bar also, or when you lock your device, you can see it on your now bar on the lock screen. Now we use the other feature like a clock. So open the clock on your device. So we open the clock. Now here we select the start the stopwatch. Now lock your phone and you can see both the stopwatch and the music on your device. Just tap on it to show on your device. Now follow the same step. You can see the all detail on the lock screen. Also when you unlock it, you can see both in the status bar stopwatch and both like this on your Samsung One UI 8 version. This now bar feature very helpful. You can also use this feature in your Google Maps or any other settings. Follow the same. Also tap on a spots from Google. Here you can select your favorite cricket match score like different match on your device. Here you can see the recommended ICC event, NBA Cup, UEFA Europa League, Cricket World Cup, Premier League, ICC Champion Trophy, NBA, La Liga. You can see the cricket, football, basketball, American football, baseball, different categories, sports, game, hockey, rugby. Just follow the your favorite team and you can see the live match score whenever the match is live on your lock screen like this and a status bar when you unlock your device. So quite easy to customize the now bar on your Samsung One UI 8 version. That's it. If you like it, share it. Thank you for watching this.